first step in every paver installation is to prepare the area. Start by properly locating any utilities such as electrical, gas, or water lines to eliminate any potential issues during demolition. In every state, you can call 811 for a free utility inspection. Once you have located the utilities, demolish any existing hardscape surfaces and dig up any grass or dirt. You will need anything from a simple shovel to a sledgehammer or excavator with a breaker attachment depending on the area you are demolishing. Then excavate 9.5 inches from the final grade in accordance with ICPI standards for vehicular areas. For pedestrian areas, excavate 7.5 inches from the final grade. After the area is demolished and excavated, we will want to grade the subbase, sloping it away from the house to allow for proper drainage. You may have to build up low areas with soil or remove soil in areas that are too tall to achieve the desired slope. After grading, make 2 passes with a plate compactor to compact the native soils. Failure to compact a subbase twice can lead to sunken or raised pavers further down the road. Once the subbase is compact, lay down geotextile fiber and secure it with stakes or anchoring staples. This will inhibit the native soils from mixing with the Class 2 road base you will add next. This is highly recommended for areas with clay soils. The next step is to place the foundation. Add 6 inches of Class 2 road base for vehicular areas like this driveway, or 4 inches for pedestrian areas like a walkway, then hose it down and compact it. The Class 2 road base must be installed and compacted in 2-inch lifts, meaning that you installed 2 inches at a time and compact it twice before adding more. This prevents air gaps that can lead to undulations. The last step before laying the actual paving stones is to pour and screed sharp-angled bedding sand over the entire area. The sand should be an even 1 inch deep. Your foundation is now prepared and you should be ready to lay down the paving stones. The pavers can be laid down in a variety of patterns, so plan your design ahead of time. It is best to lay your pavers starting from a corner and to work your way out. There will be tight areas that require you to cut a few paving stones. Use a circular saw to help you cut those stones to size. Edging will keep the pavers in place. Use store-bought paver edging or create a permanent edge by placing border stones on wet concrete. Concrete bond beams like the one installed here should be used when pavers abut softscape surfaces like grass, dirt, or sand. Once the pavers are set and edging is installed, lay down joint sand generously over the entire newly paved area, then sweep it into the joints. After the sand is in between the pavers, use a plate compactor for the final time to interlock them. Clean up the area of any excess sand and debris, then hose it down one last time. To provide extra protection for your newly paved driveway, consider applying a sealer. There are different types of sealers depending on the look you desire. The most popular is Joint Stabilizing Natural Sealer, which helps protect from some stains, harmful UV rays, and weed growth. In as little as 1 week, you can totally transform your home's exterior for the better. Don't be surprised if your new driveway encourages your neighbors to upgrade as well. If you're located in San Diego or Orange County, California, and would like to work with a team of experienced paver installers, we can help. Contact us today for a free estimate.